Hi there, my name's Jamie Simpson, professional photographer, and in this video I'm going to show you some simple steps to make any boring photograph better, even as a beginner. There's no Photoshop involved and no technical know-how needed, and the really best bit is at the end, so stay tuned. First thing you can do with any scene, no matter how boring it is get closer to the subject. The closer you are, the more dynamic it looks in the frame, the more it intrigues, the more it pulls in a viewer. Portraits don't necessarily look that good in the picture, but it does make everything else more interesting. Get your things close to the lens. Number 2, perspective. Get down low. It's not the trend, especially with Instagram and that kind of thing, but with a lot of stuff in photography, getting down low, it cleans up the background by getting the horizon out of the way. It makes the picture look cleaner and simpler. If you're photographing kids and pets, if you get down to their eye level, then you're getting down low and you're engaging the viewer in the eye of the kids and the pets. It's a much stronger picture and everything just looks a lot better from lower angles. They look more imposing, they give more depth. It's an easy win. Number 3, background. Look at your main subject and see what's behind them. See if you can move a little bit this way or a little bit that way and see if it will improve your subject or your photograph or your scene. It's a really simple step. Move around a little bit. Moving a couple inches this way or that way. Photography is a game of inches, can make big differences. You don't want backgrounds to be too messy, too cluttered, too competing with your main object, your main subject. You want them to be simple, solid blocks of color, things that are far away, then they're out of focus. Look at your background in your pictures, another easy win. And this is the last but most important thing, and it brings everything together. Thank you for staying for this. It is really summed up in this phrase, look for different. Moving around, getting down low, looking at your background. You're looking for different ways to view your scene. Even if it's a boring scene with something really uninteresting in it, if you show a different way of capturing that, then you can make it interesting. And that is the beauty and the power of photography. So if you are given something or you have something in front of you that you think is boring and interesting, then I challenge you to find an interesting photograph in it, because I guarantee you there is one, because there's an interesting image and an interesting capture in every single situation. It's just got to be found. And the way to find it is to think different. So in this video, you've learnt some simple ways to make any boring scene look better and more interesting. And it's been for beginners and it's got no technical know-how in it and no photoshopping. So thanks very much for watching this. I really hope you got something from it. I'd love to hear what you got from it and what you learnt and what you've tried. Leave them in the comments down below. And if you really enjoyed this video, then I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. And if you want to share it with someone that you think will benefit, then great.